Hey guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to share with you the Madam Glam House of Reflections collection today. This is the December collection and it is absolutely gorgeous. I have 5 colours out of the 8 to show you, and I went for all the glitters that I could see. As always, Madam Glam are cruelty-free, HEMA-free, 21-free formula, palm oil free and vegan, and the packaging as always is on point. So I'm just showing you the box here and all the information you get on the back about recycling the packaging. When I saw the preview for this collection, I was so excited because I saw all the glitters and I said I'm going to pick every glitter that's in the bunch, and then I picked one cream. So I'm just going to let you enjoy the swatch of the first coat. I coat every one of them twice, and I'm going to come back to you with my review of the colours on the second swatch. I'm just going to let you enjoy the swatch of the first one here, and I'll be back to you in a few seconds. And just before I forget, I just want to add that I do have a discount code for Madam Glam for 35% off. It's Begorgeous35, but I will leave a link in the description, so that link will take you directly to the website and will automatically be added in when you use the pay as you go option. So I'll leave that link in the description and I'll let you get back to the swatches. So I'm just going to jump in here for the second coat. I'm going to coat all of them twice, and they all were perfectly covered in 2-coat coverage. This colour right here was the one that I thought was probably the least opaque to start with, but it covers perfectly in 2 coats. It builds up nicely, and also if you're going to put it over a gel overlay or an acrylic overlay, it will definitely have more depth behind it anyways. And then this blue is probably the blue and the red are my favourite, just because they're the most unusual out of the colours. Silver and gold are beautiful, but the blue and red are just, they're just that bit more unusual, I suppose. And because they're holographic, they reflect all those different colours like green and gold and silver and white and blue. You can see it there. It's just reflecting off the light. Whatever way the light catches it, you're going to see little glimpses of the glitter. And then this is Christmas Essence. So that is the only cream that I picked, and I absolutely love it. It is very much like the cherry mocha that was on trend there for a long time. So yeah, thank you so much to Madam Glam for sending these over. I absolutely love them. These are the swatches right here, so I'm so happy to have these in my collection for Christmas time, just in time for Christmas as well. And I'm going to show you some comparisons to what I have in my own collection. So this blue I thought was very like Magpie's Hope, and I love this glitter. It's holographic blue, but it really reminded me of that, and just have it in bottle form now is absolutely brilliant because I love that blue. I also popped it up against Madam Glam's Rockin' Blue, which is on the left there, but it is nothing like that. And then the silver, I just popped it over against my silvers, but it's nothing like anything that I have at the moment. It's closest to Diamond Dust by Glitterbells, but Diamond Dust is pure silver and it's not holographic, and the Madam Glam one is holographic. Then for the last one that I thought might be similar to something I have is the red. I thought would be like the Gel Bottle Inks Bonfire, but it's not. It's way deeper than that. So that is the colours that I picked. Here they are just laid out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.